We might have gone a little crazy with the Hexbug Nanos. Oh, those two are fighting. There they go. This one's trapped. I'm going to get him out of there. There we go. Jaguar made a little track for them to run in. You like that little track, bud?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Maybe they might like this place. Who's on the narrow?
That one isn't working well.
The mailbox and away. And now they have a battlefield. No.
Look at They're quick little buggers, aren't they, Jaguar? They're pretty fast, huh? No, don't put them on the ground. They'll escape under the carpet, under the couch. They're too quick. They're too quick. Oh. You can't flip that.